Let's make a snowman out of some old fall decor. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy if you didn't know. And if you did, thanks so much for coming back. All right, so I had gotten this at Dollar General the other day. It was 70% off. I take the bow off, I sanded it down as best I could, and this is what we have left. Perfect. I painted it one coat with some chalk paint. Let it dry. Then I have these stickers from Dollar Tree. I'm only using the snowflake ones, and I'm going to put those on. I had originally intended to glue them, but these jokers really stuck, so I didn't need to. Then I'm going to paint over everything with another coat of white, and then I actually let it dry and sanded mine, just because I like the distressed vibe. If you don't like it, that's okay. Don't do it. All right, so then I have some fleece, and I'm just going to really quick see how wide I need to have the fabric, and I'm just cutting out a rectangle piece. Then I put some hot glue on one side, glue it down, and then I flip it so that it's right side out. Perfect. Then we're going to take the bottom, put some more glue, and we're just going to make a brim. So I'm just going to roll up. I put glue down, then roll it up, make sure it's adhered, and then I'm going to do that one more time just so we have a nice clean edge. I know, distressed stuff, you'd think I wouldn't do that, but I did it this time. Now we're going to put this little tube thing on our snowman head, and I have some jute, and I'm just going to tie it, like cinch it in where I would think that a hat would be cinched. So I'm just going to do that. And I actually am going to take it off of the snowman again because I want to make a pretty bow. And then I want to cut the excess of the fabric off the top. And then I'm actually going to cut little strips so that it looks like a pom-pom on top. Look at how fun. I mussed mine up a little bit so it looks a little bit more distressed. Look at how cute. Then we're going to glue that to our snowman. So I just put some glue underneath the hat, made sure I protected my fingers. And I did the same on the front. And now I'm going to use some buttons. And I got these buttons, believe it or not, I got them at Dollar Tree. Crazy, right? So I put two little buttons for the eyes, and I kind of snuck them underneath the brim of the hat. And then I have another strip of that fleece, and I'm going to put some glue down, and then I'm going to tie it on the side. This just reminds me of my kids when they're out in the snow and how they always have their scarf tied so you can't see their face. That's what it made me think of. I put a little, cut the strips on the bottom of the scarf just to make it look like it has little fringes. And I mean, stop. Look at how cute already. I distressed mine some more just because I wanted those snowflakes to pop. But again, if distressing stuff isn't your thing, don't do it. But look at how cute this looks. I mean, really. And then I added some blush with a dauber. All I did was put the blush on it and then kind of rolled it in between my fingers on the wood. And stop it. Look at how cute this is. I love it so much. I thought I needed to add a few more buttons just because I felt like it needed a little something, something, but look at how cute. Then I went in my yard and I got some sticks from my pine trees and I added a couple of arms to make it look even cuter. Like, stop it. Stop. I mean, this might be one of my new favorite things. I mean, look at how cute he is. Oh, I love it so much. And again, if you go to Dollar General right now, they have all this stuff on clearance. Oh, it's so exciting. All right, take a deep breath. We're good. Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching. And I hope this inspires you.